Hi, this is me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is about how to make a shortcut key for something. Somebody questioned why I have an icon for back of page and why I don't use a shortcut key. Well, first of all, this is just a mouse click away, but I thought I'd go ahead and show how to do a shortcut key for this. There's no shortcut key to assign to it, so we're going to go to, well, let's go to Tools, Customization, go down to Commands, and instead of trying to find it, you know where it is, just go to it in Object, Order, Back of Page, and then click on it right there. Now go to Shortcut Keys, and there's nothing assigned. So you can't use the letter B because it's already bottom of line. But why can't you use the backspace key for backspace? Sign that, and then hit OK. Now, when you do that, I would go to Tools and Save as Default. Now, I'm going to grab my object that's on top and hit the backspace key. It put it behind the other layer, as you can see there. Same thing here. So you've got two options, and just depending on which one you like better. I like not taking my hand off the mouse, but if you're in the shortcut keys, there's an easy way to do that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for answering.